Hello guys, welcome to the Indian Tech Guide channel. In this video, I want to focus on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 Android 10 update. Let's face the reality. I purchased this mobile on 2018 December 30. That is the first month this mobile has released. From the beginning, the updates from the Asus are vast. They promised Android 9 on like they will provide it by the end of January 2019, but they didn't give a stable update till 2020. Now most of the mobiles are shifting to Android 11. Still we are in Android 9 only. Most of the mobiles I used this beta to install Android 10 in my mobile. Currently I am on Android 10, and you can see the last beta version that they released is 2020 12.3, that is 3rd of December 2020. After that they didn't even release any beta version itself. Forget about this original stable version. At least we should this beta people should get some updates such that we can. Here you can see it is on December 28, 2020. So we can conclude that they simply forgot about this mobile. They no longer working on the development of this Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 Android 10 update. In future they may release an update, but definitely that will not be a stable one. They will simply convert this uh, they will simply release this beta build only as an update. And let me tell you something, this beta build is not up to mark, I can say. There are still lot of bugs, but we have to cope with that. Even in this beta build also, my last security update is 5th December 2K20. This is the time when they released that beta update, and after that I never received an update. So you will don't even think of waiting for this update from Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. This literally I can say that Asus has stopped mobiles on mid-range. They are only focusing on their top-end model, that is to gaming phones. This uh, mid-range mobile phones has not been much profit to them. I mean, it is profitable, but they themselves killed their mid-range market by this buggy software. Like, it has lot of bugs. I can do an entire one video on how many bugs are there in this. And if you want me to do a video on how many bugs are there in this mobile, uh, please mention in the comments. I will definitely do a video. Even in the first build itself, first beta build, still those bugs are there. They are not even care about this mid-range phones. So my suggestion is simply switch to another mobile. In future when you are purchasing some other mobile, please keep something in mind. You only not only you have to bother about looks of the mobile, you have to bother about the software and the updates they will be provided by the company. Software is the major thing you have to bother about. So I guess I will suggest you to go for Samsung phones, that too with A series. The reason why I'm mentioning A series is they will provide updates for three major updates and 1 year extra long security patch. That means that mobile will stand for 4 years. This Asus mobile currently I am using, right, it is not even 2 years, and I'm like it can run well because it's a 4 GB variant, but there are certain lags and stutters I will feel now and then. So that's what I want to say in this video. Please don't bother about this, like don't wait for another update. Simply switch to some other mobile, or like, let's face it, it's clear that we will not get any update. I have seen a lot of videos on the YouTube. Some people are simply posting a video saying, by the end of the May we will get an update, by the end of the, like, I have seen one channel right from the January, he will at least make one video by February end. In March he posts the same video and says we will get an update by March end. This iteration is happening right from the 2K21 January. So don't follow for those fake videos. Simply stop bothering about this update from Asus. We know they will never update our mobile. Thank you for listening to my, like, what you can say, anger on these Asus mobiles. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and stay safe. Goodbye.